Look at you go! Good job! King of the slopes.
Yeah, and not have any pain. He can crash all day.
Oh, yeah.
See, at least I have the camera on this time. Keep going, Zach. Keep going. Yeah. I made it. And here we are sitting in the sideways snow.
West shuttle.
That's not what we want. The battle begins. Cowboys versus oh, that went down my neck. Woo, that was cold. Very cold. Cold snow. Cold snow. Woo. Connor got me right in the neck. It's a snowstorm. Get him, Connor, get him. Oh, Robert can take no more.
Going in.
You think you're going to throw that at your mother? All right, here's Connor Fogarty, world's best 7-year-old skier, ready to take another run down the mountain, because he's got it going on. Remember all the stuff they talked about, your heels and your pizza slice. Connor, wave! Connor, wave! Push on your right leg. There you go. Look at you. You're doing good. Wave, Connor. Remind him to snowplow. Breaking a land speed record. Alright, look at you go. You didn't do too much snowplow that time. You weren't telling him to keep his speed straight, were you? You weren't telling him to keep his speed straight. want to go one more time? Oh, look at him. He even stopped by. Wave! Woo, Connor! Woo, look at you go! Go, Connor. Alright, ski on down to the bottom. We gotta take your skis off and turn them in, okay? Yeah, it's only like 3:20. You could go jump on the lift again.
The other side?
Well, whatever you want to do, because the lifts don't close till 4.